Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video for keto, and I'm gonna show you the cookie I've been eating for a sweet on the keto diet. And you know, in the keto diet, you can't have sugar, no, cakes, ice cream, no cookies, no Oreos, nothing of that stuff. You can only have keto type sweets, with a sugar substitute. And one of the things I've been eating is this Quest bar, particularly this double chocolate flavor cookie. It tastes really good. It does help the urge of the sugar, because I don't want something sweet sometimes, and I'm human. So I eat one of these with a meal. I don't eat this, just to eat it. I eat these cookies with a meal. And the reason for that is I'm gonna learn about insulin. And every time you eat, you trigger insulin. So it's the best to eat the dessert with a meal versus eat it as a snack. But besides the point, I haven't tried the chocolate chip ones, but I like these ones because they have a nice flavor to them. Read the back, the label. Total carbs is 20. So dietary fiber is 10. So subtract 10 for that, 10 grams of carbs. And the sugar is erythritol, 5 grams. So you subtract 5 grams for that. So it's 5 grams of carbs total, which is pretty good. And the ingredients is pretty good as well. Unsweetened chocolate chips, erythritol, cocoa, stuff that's not bad for you. Stevia, I think a little bit of stevia. So this is a good dessert to have. I got these at Walmart. They're like $8 for a 4-pack. But on Amazon, they're 12-pack for $20. So it's a little bit cheaper on Amazon. So I have a link below so you can pick these cookies up. But they're a nice sized cookie. These ones right here will make you really thirsty. Okay, it's probably from that cocoa, but it make you really, really thirsty. Okay, so you will be thirsty after eating these cookies. They're really good cookies for if you want some sweet to eat. Again, the sugar in here, erythritol, does not trigger your blood sugars. Okay, so that's that better sugar for you. But even with the carbs, if you're doing this total carbs in general, eat one of these, you'll still be fine. If you're doing 30, 40 carbs a day on keto, if you're doing 50 grams of carbs, you eat 1, 2 of these and be fine. Sometimes I eat, and these things keep me full. Okay, I stay full for a couple of hours, maybe a little bit longer. So I eat it with a meal. Okay, so this is my review of the Quest cookie. They're pretty good. Pick these up. They're a nice sized cookie. Let me open this up. This is how it looks inside. So it's a pretty nice cookie. Pretty decent sized cookie for one person to eat. Unsweetened chocolate chips in it. It's a pretty good cookie. It's not a small cookie. It's a nice sized cookie. So, yeah, that's my review. They taste amazing. Again, you will need some unsweetened coconut milk, or I drink water with this because it'll make you really thirsty, because it's really, it's really chewy and it stays down your throat. So you might want to drink some water with this, but it tastes good. It fixed my crave for sugar. I don't crave for sugar, but I do want, a cookie. I want a keto cookie, but this curbs it. This does help. So this is my review of the Quest cookie. Again, 5 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fiber, some protein, 15 grams of protein, a pretty good cookie. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.